haven't posted in a while. But I got banned from Build-A-Boat. It said for unexpected reason. I can't say that. And then I just got 41 gold, and then as soon as I got 41 gold, then it just said you've been banned. So I'll try to join. Probably not gonna be on camera. Today we're gonna be playing an obby, maybe Baldi's Basic. I'm just gonna look up obby, but sure, I'll do Baldi's Basic. Or nah, I'm not gonna do an obby. Today I'm gonna play Adopt Me here, because it'll be really hard. Whoops. Or Doge Simulator. Yeah, I really like that, but it lags a lot, so I'm just gonna be playing Adopt Me. Then I'll load in, I'll pause the video. I don't have to say pause, so here. Okay, I just loaded in. Yes, I want to play. Load in. Yeah, I want that, but I don't have the Robux now. Well, I have 16 Robux, but I mean, yeah, that's what I mean. I really don't know what I should do, but I got, what? I'll view it, but I'm probably not going to go to it. Visa. Come bring your family, friends, stay or go. That sounds cool, but sorry. The way he said it sounded cool. Yeah. So I haven't planned this video. I haven't, so I really don't know what to do. But I just know that I needed to post a video, so I just doing this. I guess let's just teleport. I guess to the lunar update. I'm not doing a tour or anything of it, because I already did that video. If you want to see it, then just look up lunar update, fan fame. Yeah, so let's start trading. Nah, actually I don't have, well, I got a lot of pets right now, but only ultra rare pets. Well, I got a bunch of legendaries, but I don't want to trade my legendaries because I like them. Yeah, since the tour video, my first video, I've gained a lot of pets. See, so I got the alpaca, or llama, red panda, the bee, but the bee and one of these Shibas, because I have so many Shibas, and the Shibas for giveaway, and then I got the turkey and the other swan. I bought it from my friend. Get off the screen. Okay. No, I don't. What's that? I accidentally tried to invite her to my family. People say this was from a long time ago. But then he said, tweeted, pirate update, so the pirate might be next, but I don't want you to get hyped up when it's, I'll say 88% sure, I guess. Yeah, 88% sure that update might update. Might not happen though, so like I said, don't get your hype hopes up. No, wait, it's 5, well, I got kicked off. It's 5 o'clock, it's not dark outside. kind of weird. This already been 5 minutes. And I don't know how. What is my friend's point? Yeah, but I just wanted to like say that I got banned from Build a Boat. I don't know banned, but I tried joining it and it keep on kicking me off like every second, but that might just be the internet. I don't know, I'll try and tell you if it ends up working. In my next video, I'll play Minecraft. Yes. Minecraft. Okay. And yeah, I think that's it from the video. It was just about Build a Boat that I got banned. Not banned 100% sure though. Why is that? What? Okay, and yeah, that's all for the video. And bye guys. Yeah, bye guys.